judges send the ball their way. They rock. Heat one underway. All right, here they come out on the back. Herman Flagg, Wade Old Edwin, look at this. He out-barreled them, he outruns them into the first turn. Yes, sirree, 65 years of age. The retirement age, Herman Flagg, folks. He's popped the front end of the engine, and I can tell he's full of business tonight. And that great other veteran, 60, I think he's on his way to it right now, because I don't think they're going to catch him. Look at this, there's the four outriders. Picture, oh, look at, here comes Rod for the last minute third. He might overtake his veteran rider. Here's the wire. Look at this. Herman held on. Rod Sullivan kept it on. Then, Larry McEwen looked like a good jump. Brad Priesthoff well off number.
C'est la route transcanadienne qui va nous mener jusqu'à Calgary, dans l'Ouest canadien. D'abord à travers l'Ontario sur 2000 km, en passant par le nord du lac supérieur qu'on atteint à Sault-Sainte-Marie. Dans un petit hôtel paisible au bord du lac. La route continue dans les prairies canadiennes. D'abord au Manitoba, où seuls les silos à grains se détachent du paysage. Puis, en Saskatchewan, avec la rencontre des chiens de prairie, de petits rongeurs dont les cris ressemblent à des aboiements de chiens. Enfin, en Alberta, avec ses immenses troupeaux de bovins et ses puits de pétrole. Avant d'atteindre Calgary, après 3700 km parcourus en 3 jours. Le Stampede de Calgary est considéré comme le plus grand festival extérieur du monde. Plus d'1 million de visiteurs pour des spectacles, des expositions et surtout des rodéos. C'est la fête dans le très vaste parc d'attractions. Les Premières Nations du Canada se retrouvent au village amérindien où vivent des familles durant le Stampede.
Not blueberry?
Our First Nations people have their own flag, which is the eagle staff.
Ce sont surtout les danses des différentes tribus qui impressionnent.
In front of me, men's traditional dancers. We have our chicken dancers. Hey, 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 hoo-yah! These fancy shawl dancers. Let's welcome our men's fancy bustle dancers. Give them a hand there, people! Yeah!
Et les chanteurs et les danseurs de musique country occupent les salles de spectacle. Mais le clou du Stampede, ce sont les concours de rodéo professionnels. D'abord, l'épreuve de contrôle du bétail par un cowboy qui doit isoler puis empêcher un bouvillon de rejoindre son troupeau.
Thank you. Young Guns Babe is the horse, Robert Crust. Showing the right away. Look at the focus and the intensity these horses have. Well played. Ken Mulhook.
There's the horn. The judges send them out of their way. Hey, rock. Heat one underway.
Une des épreuves reines, les courses de chariots, les chuck wagons, qui se font en équipe de 4 cavaliers après un départ en 8 pour un tour de piste. Plus d'1 million de dollars de prix sont distribués aux différents vainqueurs.
For the last minute third, he might overtake his veteran rider. Here's the wire. Look at this. Vernon held on. Rod Sullivan kept it on him. Voted the CPCA Chuck Wagon back. And here comes Lee McGilvray. They're all there looking great. Barrels are all standing and the race is on. The all-important first turn and the all-important rail. Roger Noer's got it by 3/4 of a length. Ray McGilvray on the outside of him, and boy, he's flying. He found that opening on the rail. I don't know if he can use it to advantage. Now here's where the real racing starts. Here they come down the lane, and look at this as Wayne McGilvray comes after Roger Noer. He's not going to catch him. Roger Noer, Wayne McGilvray, Grant Priest, and Larry McEwen. Oh, there's a lovely gray horse, but it's a little bit late. Chance Butters is quick off number 1. Here he comes, and look at this, Bruce Lawrence, off 4, 1 and 4 barrel, lead head to head, and the first turn of everything goes just Butters to the inside. Bruce Lawrence, oh, he's been flying every night action too, as they swing through that turn. Here they come around. Jess Butters is clear by 1, but he's got 100 yards pounding in behind. Jess Butters, he's taking him to the wire, and he's going to win me. Look at the other 3 wagons. Look at this. Ryan Lagerking. There's the horn, and they're off, and a good jump by Troy Dorchester. Off 2, can he out-barrel Jerry Brenner, who's got 1? Can he out-barrel Ray Proto? Gold sleeve come out. Look at this. That's Troy Dorchester in the middle. That's Jerry Brenner on the rail. That's Ray Proto, 3 wide. Jimmy Knight's in behind. That's for the wire. Jim Knight, 1 last serve on the rail. But Jerry Brenner wins the race. Jim Knight is next. Troy Dorchester, hard charging third, and Ray Proto.
The Express Hitch. The Express family of companies from Yukon, Oklahoma is pleased to be part of the Calgary Exhibition and Stampede. Express Ranch is owned by Bob and Deborah Funk of Yukon, Oklahoma.
En soirée, c'est une grandiose comédie musicale pour le centenaire de l'Alberta en 2005. Plus de 2000 artistes et plusieurs feux d'artifice pour fêter ça. avant le début des rodéos, la présentation des cowboys classiques et des Amérindiens traditionnels. Puis les hymnes nationaux américains. Et canadiens. On commence par le concours de capture du veau au lasso.
Watch. There's a little loop in his mouth. You see that big and straight? Now watch what happens. When he flanks the calf and goes to string it over, he misses. Good move. Wraps it around, holds it with his thumb, takes 2 wraps and a half inch, and best. Watch it. Yeah. Good. Back up. In his ears a little bit. He knows exactly what he's doing. Look at it. A little pressure on. That's one close trial.
Suit le concours de mise à bas du bouvillon.
4.8. All help each other. Now you can help a little too. Come on. Here we go. Here you go. Come on.
Puis des équipes s'efforcent de mettre en selle un cheval sauvage. Ensuite, le concours de monte d'un cheval sauvage où il faut tenir au moins 8 secondes.
This goes back 30 years. You were still in high school. That's where that breeding program comes from on that big, beautiful horse. Go, Vinny! Go, Vinny! Go, Vinny! Well, Bill is my pick of the day. Your 10-year-old kids.
Quant aux garçons de 10 à 14 ans, ils doivent essayer de monter un poney sauvage durant 10 secondes. Pas facile. La course de tonneau, une course de vitesse, est la seule épreuve réservée aux femmes.
All right, now to all of the rest of the ladies. You know, first barrel. She touched it, but maybe moved it an inch. Reset. Another ball, she is. This is running on against your points, Liz. Texas America. Canadians, you can help it as well. Let's go, fans. Let's go. Nice work, Liz. Liz, thank you. You're the second person today that helped me pat on the right lady. I'm too ahead of you right now. You are not. I am too. I was the seventh.
Partner on the announcing crew. He's the luckiest guy in the world. He gets to talk to this young man. Our winner this afternoon. Ringside, we get a little help down below. Dave Paulson, he's been to our...
Enfin, le concours le plus dangereux, la monte du taureau, qui laisse souvent peu de chance aux cavaliers.
G-forces, centrifugal force.
Here you go. You see the look that bull give him. Kick him out the back when you're ready to go jump out that back shoot. Let's go! Andy Brown, nice work. Oh, you're bullfighters. Here's a young man that goes to control the lead off too.
Et ce sont des Cowgirls qui signent la fin du spectacle et de ce Stampede 2005.